Are you ready for another no credit check personal loan and how this approval works? Look at this. No credit check loans, how the approval works without the hard inquiry means it will not impact your credit score at all. Look at this. A no credit check loan refers to a loan where lenders may avoid using a traditional hard inquiry during the application review. And remember, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide, means how you can fill out the application and you can get up to $5,000 with this financial credit product. And remember, I'm also going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of credit card with no credit check, and you can get that credit card even with bad or worst credit. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video as it helps this video and the channel as well. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before you apply for any of the credit product that you see on any platform. Well, right now this is the opportunity from Slick Cash Loan. This is indeed one of those credit products that you can actually get without a hard inquiry. Well, according to them, they can give you up to $5,000, and this is huge because remember that millions of Americans are dealing with bad or worse credit score, but they have some requirements, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide, so make sure you stay with us till the end of this video. So how do no credit check loan work? This is important. No credit check loan tend to be more concerned with the applicant's income and banking activities instead of relying mainly on a full credit report. And here are the common eligibility items. Exact rules vary by lenders or states, so please keep this in mind. Requirements. Well, first, monthly income. It should be between $800 to $2,000, so make sure that you remember this. If you have your monthly income between $800 or $2,000, you could be eligible for this. You have to have a checking account, should be open at least 30 to 90 days, so keep this in mind as this is super important. And you have to have an ID verification. Any government ID such as your driver license would work. Your age should be 18 plus or 19 plus in some states, depends where you live, and your account status should be in good standing, means your current checking account. But there are some pros and cons, so you need to understand. The pros of no credit check loan is the lending process is fast. Usually it takes as little as minutes to make a loan decision. Most online lending options are soft inquiries, so it does not affect your credit score, means it involves a credit inquiry, means it's no hard credit check. Usually soft pull, they actually look into your financial overview with a soft credit pull, and they give you the decision based on that, including your income and other requirements such as your checking account and stuff. Online applications can be submitted from the convenience of your own home. Funding can also occur quickly depending on the lender and the banking institution processing time. Usually what happens, you can get the loan just in minutes. But one of the drawbacks of this no credit check loan, if you have bad or worse credit, the APR is usually higher. In many cases I have seen somewhere between 50 to 100 to 200%. Please never go towards payday loans, because I believe the payday loans should be illegal because the APR are crazy. Sometimes it's actually 600, 700, and I've seen myself one with 1000% APR, and a number of Americans are stuck in it. So please keep this in mind. Don't go towards those credit products. And remember, you have to be very responsible when you apply for any of this. And this time is from Slick Cash Loan. They have many other loans such as personal loan, installment loan, loans for bad credit, no credit check loans, and right now we are reviewing no credit check loan. So remember, I'm going to give you the details. So what they exactly do, I'm going to click right here on start now, and here is the secure loan application. As I mentioned earlier, that I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide, means how you can fill out the application and stuff. So make sure you stay with us till the end to know each and everything. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it right now and click on the bell icon if you like our content, because we upload videos every single day. Make sure you don't miss any video, because we upload videos, as I mentioned earlier, every single day. So here is your application, and they say complete your request to get a loan. We use 2048-bit encryption, means they have encryption. So what it means that your data is safe. Well, you can actually pick up the loan amount. The loan amount could be between $1,000 to $2,500, but you can actually get between $2,500 to $5,000. So please keep this in mind, and remember that it actually goes with no credit check. How it works, I'll tell you right here on the like on this one. So make sure you stay with me till the end. So first, they actually ask you to pick up the amount. I'm actually picking up between $1,000 to $2,500. Then they ask you about the loan purpose. I never tell any company that why I need the loan for, so I click on other usually. Then they ask you for your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your email address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Remember, most of the time what happens when you put the last 4 digits of your social security number, it means that there's only a soft pull or no credit check, means no hard credit pull. So please keep this in mind. Then they ask you for a primary phone number and your zip code and your street address. So will you also consider a lower amount? So usually what it means, for example, that I picked $2,500 to $5,000, right? And they looked at my profile by doing a soft inquiry, means no hard credit pull. It will not impact your credit score at all, or they'll see my income and other stuff as well. So what happens, they actually give me the amount of the loan according to my situation, and they can actually lower the amount. For example, right here I need between $2,500 to $5,000. They can actually give me an offer of $1,000, maybe $1,500, maybe $2,000. So of course they ask me that either you allow us to give you a lower amount. If I click on no, so what happens, as soon as I click on no, let me just click on other. So as soon as I click on no, what happens, so let's say that they they say that okay, I'm eligible to receive $1,000. So what happens, they will actually deny me. They will actually let me know at the end of the application that hey, we cannot give you the loan because you're not eligible. But if I click on yes, so what happens usually, so even though I need $2,500, between $2,500 to $5,000, if they think that I'm eligible for $1,000, they give me that offer. So it's up to me whether I accept it or not. As soon as I accept it, they'll do a hard pull. So please keep this in mind. So what they do, they're using this application with the last 4 of your social security number for pre-qualification. We are not sure about pre-approval. I'll actually give you some sort of update on that later on, probably in the comment section or in the description of the video. But right now we are a bit confused between pre-qualification or pre-approval. But even though if it's pre-qualification or pre-approval, don't worry about it. There is no hard credit pull. It will not impact your credit score, which is a great thing, to be honest. So what happens, then you click on next step, and then they'll ask you a couple of more questions, and then the application will be submitted. Let me know in the comments below that what would be your when you fill out the application, what is your decision or your result from Slick Cash loan. And remember, it's not going to impact your credit score, but I advise you one more thing. If you can, please lock or freeze your credit with your credit score app, Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. If you can do that before you apply for anything, so it would be great, and it will allow you to have the peace of mind that hey, there will be no impact to my credit score because my credit is freeze. So thank you so much for watching. There's one more thing before I wrap up the video. When you see that they give you that $1,000 pre-qualification or pre-approval or any of the loan amount, and you believe that hey, now they're going to do a hard inquiry, then you can freeze your credit, so they won't be able to do that, like the hard inquiry. I'm not so sure how good it is and how it works, so I'm not going to emphasize on it. I haven't personally done that, so I don't usually recommend that. and I'm not going to recommend anything that actually going to go against the policies of any financial institution, or even when it comes to the federal or state rules. So please do your own research before you do anything, because I've seen a video and I was so confused that people are doing it. So I'll actually do some research on it and give you the details and update that is it even legal or not. But again, remember that I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it for you. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.